Hi there, and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about policies and delivery instructions and why they matter for your checkout. Clear policies help build customer trust and make your checkout feel more professional. They can also help reduce disputes and chargebacks by clearly explaining your terms before the purchase is completed. So let's see how to set everything up inside Checkify Plus. Open your Checkify admin panel and go to the Customization tab. Here you'll find the section related to policies and delivery instructions. First, let's add the policy pages. Typically, merchants add things like a refund, privacy, terms of service, or shipping policy. You can simply paste your policy text into the corresponding fields or generate a template that we've already created and save your changes. Now let's configure the delivery instructions. This section allows you to explain what happens after the purchase. For example, explain how and where to get a digital product, or what the next steps are regarding the timeline and delivery of a physical product. So the goal here is to reduce uncertainty and answer customer questions before they even ask them. When everything is done, open any checkout link from the Buy Links section. As you can see, the policies now appear directly on the checkout page, and customers can open and review them before completing the purchase. And after the order is placed successfully, we arrive at the Thank You page. Here, the delivery instructions are also displayed, clearly explaining what the customer should expect next. This creates a smoother post-purchase experience and helps reduce confusion and unnecessary support requests. By combining clear policies with proper delivery instructions, you make your checkout more transparent, more trustworthy, and more professional for your customers. Feel free to save this video if it helped you set up policies and delivery instructions in Checkify, and let us know if you want guides for more checkout optimization features. We'll cover those next, and I remind you, if you are already selling on Shopify, you can unlock this same high-converting functionality while retaining all the benefits of the Shopify ecosystem by installing Checkify Pro on your store.